Okay guys, now we do questions 16 to 20, and over here we've got, we call it matching. Now try to understand. If in the questions there is no information, if the questions are some sort of proper nouns without any information, in that case, do not read the questions. For example, question number 16, skate park. Now, when you read skate park, for example, they've written museum, railway station, airport. There is no information in that, so you will not read it. Then in that case, you will read the options. What do? Sometimes they replace options and questions. Sometimes they give information in questions and options are the places. Sometimes questions are the places and options have some information. So wherever there is the information, you will only read that part. Okay, now let's start. Proposed crime prevention measures. Crime prevention measures means how to prevent a crime. So proposed crime prevention measures. Install more lighting. For this, they can say you can fix more tube lights or make sure you have some extra lights. Install more lighting. And one more thing, don't go for words, go for ideas. Install more lighting means extra battiyan laga ke rakhni hai, extra lighting laga ke rakhni hai, something like that. Okay. Option B, have more police officers on patrol. Now, sorry, I forgot one thing. Let's read the question first, then you will be clear. Questions 16 to 20. Which crime prevention measure is proposed for each area affected by crime? So areas are questions and measures. Measures mean wo kya karne lage hain. For example, if there is a garden and it's very dark and there is a lot of crime there, what will they do there? They will install more lights there. So this is what we call measure. Mean जहाँ पे crime हो रहा है उस पे वो क्या करने लगे. That's what the questions are all about. So which crime prevention measure is proposed for each area? Have more police officers on patrol. Means patrolling police, you know that. They are patrolling and all that. Option C, remove surrounding vegetation. The word vegetation is used for trees, plants and bushes. You know, sometimes in the graveyard there is so much vegetation, so many trees and plants and this and that you can't even see. So they've written remove surrounding vegetation so that image is clear, view is clear, right? It's that. Next, option D, contact local police. For contact local police, they might say call nearest police station. Contact local police, call nearest police station. Option C, come back to option C for a minute. Remove surrounding vegetation. Remove. For remove, they can use the word get rid of. Get rid of trees and bushes. For vegetation, trees and bushes. So remove surrounding vegetation. For that, they might use the word get rid of trees and bushes. Option E, fix damage quickly. Fix damage quickly. For that, they might use the word get the smashed lights repaired. For example, they say some thieves have broken the lights, so we are going to get them repaired. Get them repaired means fix damage quickly. कि जो नुकसान हुआ है उसको फौरी तौर पे पूरा किया जाए. It's that. Option F, change road design. Change road design. The road has a design, so they're going to change it. For that, they might use the word put in a new roundabout. Put in a new roundabout. Have you noticed in some parts of Lahore where there were the turns, now they have made the roundabouts. Okay, so put a new roundabout means changing the road design. When you put a roundabout, you change the road design. Or when you even add zebra crossing, you change the road design. Last, use security cameras. For security cameras, they might use the word surveillance cameras, CCTV cameras, or they can use the word video recording equipment. Try to understand the language given on the question booklet and the language they speak in the audio. For security cameras, they would use video recording equipment. Now, they will speak about areas affected by crime one by one, and then you have to see what are they going to do about it. Okay, areas affected, यानी यहाँ पे crime हुआ, अब पुलिस उसके लिए क्या करने लगी है. That's what you got to find. So I'll play the audio for questions 16 to 20.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, You will have some time to look at the questions 16 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 16 to 20.
OK, moving on. Unfortunately, there's been an increase in the number of minor crimes and antisocial behaviour in the general area, and I want to talk about some specific prevention measures that are being proposed. First of all, the skate park. As you probably know, it's well used by younger people in our community, but unfortunately we're getting more and more reports of broken glass, making it especially dangerous for younger children. One possible solution here is to get rid of some of the trees and bushes around the park, making it more visible to passers-by and vehicles. If the vandals know they're being watched, this might act as a deterrent. As you will have heard, a couple of local primary schools have also been vandalised recently, despite the presence of security guards. The schools don't have the funds for video surveillance, so we need people in the neighbourhood to call their nearest police station and report any suspicious activity immediately. Please don't hesitate to do this. I expect most of you are familiar with the problems facing Abbotsford Street. It seems that no amount of warning signs or speed cameras will slow speeding drivers down. I'm happy to say, however, that the council have agreed to begin work over the next few months to put in a new roundabout. What else? Oh yes, the newsagent and the gift shop on Victoria Street were both broken into last week, and although no money was taken, the properties have suffered some serious damage. Access was gained to these shops through the small alleyway at the back of the properties. It's dark, and as you can imagine, no one saw the thief or thieves in action. So we've been advising shop owners along there about what kind of video recording equipment they can have put in. We'll then be able to get evidence of any criminal activity on film. The supermarket car park is also on our list of problem areas. We've talked to the supermarket managers and council authorities, and we've advised them to get graffiti cleaned off immediately and get the smashed lights replaced. If you don't deal with this sort of thing at once, there's a strong possibility that the activity will increase and spread, and then it becomes...
All right. Now, did you see the words in action? And you know, sometimes they talked about one thing, they don't have funds for cameras. Then camera will not be the answer. Okay, so you just have to see negative, positive and all that. Question number 16, skate park. What is the answer? C, remove surrounding vegetation. And for that they use the word get rid of trees and bushes. Question number 17, local primary schools. That is D, contact local police. And for that they said we ask the neighbors to call nearest police station if they see any suspect or anything suspicious. Okay, question number 18, Abbotsford Street. F, change road design. For road design they use the word roundabout. We have asked the council, they said they don't have money for cameras and all that. We have asked the council to put a roundabout there. So putting a roundabout means changing the road design. Question number 19, shops on Victoria Street. G, use security cameras. And for that they used video recording equipment. I will share this audio recording with you, and again you can practice on your own at home. It's going to be there, okay? Question number 20, supermarket car park. It is, A is not right, install more lighting. It's not about lighting. They said get the smashed lights repaired. Now install means new one. But they said get the smashed lights repaired. That means fix damage quickly. Damage is smashed lights. Fix means repaired or replaced, right? And quickly. So for question number 20, the right answer is E. E for elephant. Clear? Okay.